Anything is possible. It started with a dream. Our passion made a difference and built a family. We've grown.
Hello, how are you today? Welcome to Live with Libby. I'm Libby Dyson. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Australia, and I'm so pleased you could join me today. I had a few issues with internet this morning, so I'm hoping everything will be all right. And look what I got in the mail, the new annual catalogue. Can't show you the inside, but I can show you the cover. All right, so today I just want to quickly say, remind you that the last chance products are available. So if you go to my store, libbystamps.com, click on the shop button, and on the left-hand side you'll see a button for last chance products, and you'll be able to go through all the ones that are available. Now they are only available while stocks last, so make sure you get in quickly so you don't miss out on some lovely products. There's some great discounts on some of the things, so don't forget to check them all out. And the Ornate Garden suite is available. It's in the new annual catalogue, but it's available now. So yeah, so shop online. Hi Helen, how are you? All right, I've clicked wave, but I don't know. It says I waved at you. Yeah, so just the last chance products. The Ornate Garden suite is available now, and it's in the new annual catalogue. And the clearance rack's been updated a little bit too. So, you know, great time to be buying things that are discounted that you might want to use in the future. All right, so I think that's about it for messages. I don't want to keep you too long today. We're going to use the pressed Petals specialty D.S.P and make a fun fold card. Here it is. Show you when I turn the camera around. And we're also using the Path of Petals and Petal Label dies, and you can get that as a bundle at the moment, 10% cheaper if you buy it as a bundle now. If it carries over to the new catalogue, you won't get it for 10% cheaper. You'll get it at normal retail price. Yes, here is the new catalogue. Came in the mail today. Some people in the metropolitan areas already have it. And did you notice, look on the front cover, some beautiful wattle. Anyway, so that's it. Now, I'm just going to check, and I'm pretty sure this Path of Petals is carrying over. It is. It's carrying over, but it won't be 10% cheaper in the new catalogue, which I'll put somewhere safe. All right, so here's, I better show you the card. Refresh my screen. So this is what we're using today. The Path of Petals photopolymer stamp set. It's got some lovely sentiments in it, and it's easy to use. Photopolymer, what more can you ask for? And it's got these great Stampin' Emboss dies, and we're just using the smaller one today. And inside the smaller one, just show you, there is, get it out, here we are, there is an oval. So there's the oval, and the die is actually stitched around the edge, and the oval sits neatly inside. So we're going to use that. I'm using Rococo Rose and the Path of Petals D.S.P, Pressed Petals D.S.P. It is. So I'll just pop that to one side for the moment. So here's our card, and I'm on my laptop again today. the tablet doesn't seem to be working well with my Facebook Lives at the moment. So here's the pressed petals specialty D.S.P. There's one bit, another bit. But it's just lovely. Look, on the back of that one. And then there's this with music on the back. One of my favourites. So anyway, that's some of the pressed petals specialty D.S.P. and it's in the last chance products, although it's not reduced in price yet, but it is beautiful D.S.P. And as I've said to quite a few people, I think Stampin' Up do make beautiful weight designer series paper. Just having coffee. All right, so our fun fold works really simply. We've got this element here, open it up, there's the inside. It's as easy as that. And there's the envelope. So we'll get started, and for this you just need a normal card base. So 14.85 by 21, and you're going to score and fold it. I've already scored it, so I'm just going to fold it now at 10.5 and use my bone folder. All right, now I've got the colours that go with this are Mossy Meadow, Rococo Rose, Pear Pizzazz, Night of Navy, Daffodil Delight, Crumb Cake, Memento Black, very vanilla. So I've got an inside and an envelope. So we're going to stamp those because I've already done the other stamping. And I'm going to stamp in Pear Pizzazz, and I'm just going to use the leafy sort of image and make sure it's inked up nicely and stamp down, and the same on this, on the envelope, and then they're done. Now I'm putting that to out on an angle. Didn't stamp very well, did it? That'll do. Okay, so that's the inside of the card. We're not going to put that in there yet. Now I've got a piece which measures 2.5 by 14.9, and I'm just going to fold that in half and use my bone folder on it. And then I've got a piece of D.S.P which measures 14.45 by 10, and I'm just going to add that to my card front. Had a busy morning already. I've been out to the doctor's to get my flu jab, then I had to go to Woolies. Woolies didn't have everything I needed, so then I went to Coles and the post office, and first time I've been out for a while. Try not to go out. Alright, so how are we going? Now don't forget to share. Okay, if you share you get 2 entries in my prize draw, and my prize draw today is one of these cards. Alright, now this piece that we've folded in half, which is 14.9 by 2.5, and we've just folded it in half and used our bone folder on it. Sorry about my dog. Alright, it's just going to close over the middle like that. So put it on, close it over, and then open your card up so it's upside down or back the front, and just put some glue on that tab and then close the back over. Alright, now that's our little, yep, forgotten the word. We all forget things. Alright, and then we're just going to put the inside of the card over the top so you won't see our little flap. So all these products are available in my online store. I'd love you to shop with me. Don't forget to check out the clearance rack and the last chance products. Alright, so there's the inside of our card and the outside, and we're going to close this over, and I'm just going to give it another burnish with my bone folder. And I've already die cut my oval and the center oval, and I've stamped in Rococo Rose on that. So I've used Pear, Pizzazz and Rococo Rose or Rococo Rose, and just going to add that to the center of my piece. And if you use liquid glue, it gives you a little bit of wriggle room, time to wriggle your centerpiece around so it's nicely centered. There we go. And it's going to go on there like that. Alright, I've already added a couple of Stampin Dimensionals to the back of this piece, but now I'm going to add one to the back here. And I like to put a Stampin Dimensional in the middle of my sentiments, just so they don't sag. You know, you spend a lot of time making a handmade cards, so don't skimp on your adhesive when it comes to Stampin Dimensionals. Now, I must say, I don't know that the mini Stampin Dimensionals are available in the next catalogue. I'll have a look in a minute. Alright, so just take the back off your Stampin Dimensionals and make sure when you put it on the sentiment, you're putting it on the correct side. Ask me how I know. Alright, so it's just going to go down here, and you want to cover this end bit. Alright, so just pop it down like that, and there you've got your card. How quick and easy was that? So there's the one we've made today, and the envelope, and the inside is like that. So when you open it up, you can see this lovely piece here, and you can write on the inside. So, and there's the envelope to go with that, and there's the one I made previously. So that's about it for today. Hi Rebecca, I'm glad you like it, ladies. So don't forget to have a look at the last chance products and get the D.S.P that you think you might like. I particularly like this one because it's got some sheets in it I can use for scrapbooking. So, as well as card fronts. So, you know, it's a good one to get. And we've used Path of Petals and the Petal Labels dies, and buy that in a bundle at the moment. You get it for 10% off. If you leave it until the next catalogue, you won't get the 10% off. You'll have to pay full retail price for it. So we've also used a Take Your Pick tool, bone folder, Pear, Pizzazz, and Rococo Rose, liquid glue, and Stampin Dimensionals. Now I'll just check and see if the minis are available in the next catalogue, which I have here and I can't show you. If I show you, someone's going to get really upset. Oh yeah, they are available, and you'll also be able to get black foam adhesive sheets, cling sheets, so you can make all your clear mount stamps into cling stamps, foam adhesive strips, stamp and seal. That's new. Stamp and seal must be instead of snail. Snail has gone. So there's a new catalogue. If you'd like a new catalogue, message me, email me, hi Rails, phone me. My details are on my website and on my Facebook page. The mailing selector closes in a couple of days, so I'd like to get those out to you if you'd like one. So there are our cards once more. Very quick and easy today. Next week we might make a variation on this. I'll see what I can come up with. A different fun fold every week is sometimes hard to do. But anyway, thanks so much for your time. And I'll see you again next week, same time, same back channel. Bye for now.
You can bet it doesn't matter where you go. You find a friend who does just what they love and lets it show. One card